Hello, am I audible, man?
Yes, yes, sir.
Then why you are not replying? I was shouting. Yesterday I gave some questions. Will you do, man? Here come, we got those.
Yes, sir. Good, sir.
Hello, hello. You're not audible.
Audible, sir. Audible.
Got that?
Sir, God, sir.
I gave just two questions. No?
Yes, sir.
Hello, you got those answers?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we have been discussing about the equilibrium of rigid body. Am I right? Let's go ahead. So those two problems are comfortable, no? Now you have some idea, no? How to find out. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let's come back to this. See, this is the figure showing a vertical force. Followed or not? Is it visible?
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
So this is the question was given. Now here, in this situation, first thing is show the forces. Then first step is to show all the forces. You know that it's an applied force. When you apply that, cylinder rotates in which direction? Can you tell me?
Sir, clockwise.
Clockwise.
Clockwise. Yes, sir.
Because this first check up that this rotates. That means you can check this. The cylinder rubs the wall in this direction and the floor in this direction.
Yes.
Do you agree with this? Agreed.
Agree,
So
sir.
thereby there will be a frictional force in this direction. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Understood this or not?
Sir, on the cylinder, on the cylinder it will be in the direction, no, sir.
Huh?
In the direction of rotation, no, sir.
Friction.
On the cylinder, the friction, yes, sir, will support,
Friction.
no, sir. Friction.
No man, you're applying like this now. Cylinder. This rubs in this direction now. This is action. This should be the reaction now. This is the action. This is the reaction now. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
agree, sir. Agree, sir.
So this is N2 normal reaction. And the last one is weight. These are the forces now. Now what is the first step I said?
Yes, sir.
Sigma. Why? Because ACM is not moving from there now. Therefore, external force must be zero now.
Yes,
Do you agree with this?
should be.
So this gives you what?
Yes, sir.
This is N1, is only one force. N1, no, F2 minus N1 is 0. Next is sigma Fy equals 0. So P plus F1 plus N2 is second equation. Now torque about center is 0. So this is R P in this direction. This normal reaction passes through this, no? Remember, normal reaction means it is perpendicular to the tangent. So it has to pass through, which is perpendicular to the tangent for a circular object, radius only, no?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, as line of action, pass through what?
Center.
Torque about C do you agree with this? Right. So now we have, can you tell due to this what it will be? No need for this. R into F1 now. Agreed? R into F2.
Yes, sir.
That's all. Torque due to weight is also 0. Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir.
This implies that RF1 positive, anti-clockwise, negative, 0. This gives you F1 plus F2 equals P. Any doubt is that till here? Now you know that this is nothing but,
No doubt.
do you agree with this or not?
Yes.
This is 1 by 2, no?
Yes.
Any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir. Yeah.
Note on this. Shall I turn this?
So 1 minute, please.
What is P you have?
N plus half F equal to
F1 is nothing but, wait. Here we got F2 is N1. Shall I turn this?
sir. 1 minute.
Till here you note down because there is no space. This is actually correct only, but there is no space. I'll redo it again.
Yes, sir. Completed. Sir. Complete. 1 minute.
Now it's simply solving these equations now, nothing else. What is that you are going to do now? You are having three equations. What are those? First equation is what?
F2
Sir.
minus N1 equal to 0.
In the first one.
F2 minus N. Yes, sir. F is
2
equal to
minus N1
0.
equal to 0.
Sir. F2 equal to
Equal to
N1.
N1. P plus F1 plus N2 minus W equal to 0.
The other one?
F1 plus F2. Yes, sir. F1 plus F2 equal to 2.
Okay. No, this is nothing but,
Sir, that is P plus N2 plus F1. Second equation.
okay, this is correct or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
From which you can get N2, no?
Yes, sir.
Once you get N1, then from that you can get N1, no? Once you get that, what is P?
Mu N plus mu N.
You can get P also, no?
Yes, sir. You can
Do
do
it.
it. Yes, sir. Do it.
Restriction in the second line. P plus. Sir, P equal to 3W by 8.
Pardon?
Sir, P equal to 3W by 8.
Right.
What is in the second line, sir? P plus.
N2 man, already you wrote the same previous equation I wrote. Nothing else. What you got previously? Three equations. 1, 2, 3. You got now.
Yes, sir. Sir.
After that, you should do, man. Again, you should not look at this. Once idea is given, they have to do it. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Hello, you got this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood the question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Show the forces acting on the body, on the ladder.
Yes, sir. Normal reaction and friction, sir.
You show it, then I'll show.
Yes, sir.
completed.
This is N1. There is no friction here. See, the ladder tends to slide like this now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
On this is the friction. This is the weight which acts at the center. Any other force is there?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Now frame the equations.
Yes, sir. Framing, sir.
Okay. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
This is N1. This is how much it will be?
Sir.
Agreed?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's all, no? Therefore, this is positive, this is negative. How many equations are there? You are having three unknowns. N1,
NT and F.
can't you find this? Three
Yes,
equations
sir.
can't you solve?
Yes, sir. We can solve.
Find out. Quick.
Yes, sir. Good.
1 second. అవునా మళ్ళీ కేసులు పెరుగుతున్నాయి ఎనీ ఆన్సర్ మ్యాన్
Sir, N1 equal to mg cot theta by 2, F equal to mg cot theta
wait
by
wait
2.
wait wait wait
N2 is
mg cot theta by 2 good next
F equal to mg cot theta by 2. N1 equal to F.
friction okay
N2
next
equal to mg, sir.
yes all of you got this
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
clear
Clear, sir.
shall I turn this
Yes,
See,
sir.
remember that whenever we are considering translation, that means we are assuming that the entire mass is concentrated at this one point, no?
Yes,
Okay. So remember that whenever we are finding, okay, we don't need, but have some knowledge of this. What is the resultant of this? This is the net contact force, no?
yes, sir. Let's go like this.
This is F contact net. This is the normal reaction, no?
Yes, sir.
This is mg, no? They must meet at one point always. Okay, that is called as point of concurrence. They must meet. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Using that meeting point also we can do this problem, but that's a little bit complicated. Adhere to one method. This is enough. But anywhere you have come across, don't get worried what is this method means. Some people will do like this. So they'll take net torques about this. Okay, again measurement of angles, all that is difficult. So I don't prefer that, but remember that. Shall I turn this? Any doubt is there?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now you can see there is only one thing you need to know, patience. Irritation will come, first thing. You should have that patience, nothing else. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, there is one cylinder like this. Okay. On this cylinder, at equal distances, we have threads.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, if you observe carefully, first you need some visualization. We are looking from like this. How does the cylinder roll? Can you imagine? In which direction? Like this.
Clockwise.
Now for you it is clockwise on and off.
Yes, sir.
So it will be like this. You are looking like this now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Of course.
Do you agree with this or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Any doubt is there?
No doubts.
Yes, sir.
Suppose this is T1, this is T2. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, that will be same thing now.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is that till here?
No doubts, sir.
Next. The center of mass is moving down. Here it is not at rest, remember.
Yes, sir.
So, and this is nothing but mg acts here. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
So here, what is the net torque on the cylinder?
RT1 plus RT2.
Net torque is nothing but I alpha only, no?
Yes, sir. I alpha.
Remember this or not? Now
Yes, sir.
cylinder is rotating now. What is I, can you tell?
Sir, I is last curve.
Assuming that is solid cylinder. Okay. Any doubt is there?
No doubts, sir.
Followed?
Yes, sir. Follow.
Yes, sir.
No down.
Yes, sir.
See. See, suppose this is one point, center of mass, for example. Okay. Now, suppose this is some x. This is T1 now. Their equidistant is saying no as per the problem.
Yes, sir. They are equidistant.
Because this and this This horizontal, no, that means there should not be any torque in the horizontal direction, no. So T1 equals T2 or not?
Yes, sir.
It is having vertical motion, not horizontal. Followed? The torques and forces are creating which motion? Vertical motion.
Vertical.
Yes.
So now from this you can get, this is how much? Therefore, mr square by 2 into alpha r into 2t. So r will get cancelled. Okay. T is till here. Any doubt is there? Now, hello. Follow till here.
Yes, sir.
This is one equation. This equation gives what?
G minus 2t.
How many equations are there?
Yes.
Only two equations now. Now from these two equations, how many unknowns are there? 1, 2, 3. Agreed? Now how to get another equation? Observe this. Follow carefully. Now this string point is there now. Is it moving? Hello.
No, sir.
See, the cylinder is rolling. The string stays there only, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
None of the points of the string are moving. Only the cylinder gets detached.
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this or not? This you understood very clearly.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Is it clear? So therefore, this is ACM now. So it has one ACM and one AT. Now you can see
Okay.
this point is 1, this is 2. Okay. A2 equals AT. This is 0. For pure rolling, what do you have? A1 is nothing but ACM minus AT. This implies AT equals ACM. This implies AT is what? R alpha, no?
Yes, sir.
This is the third equation now. 1, 2, 3. From this you can get no tension and acceleration and alpha. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Understood, sir. Yes, sir. One doubt, sir. Sir, in this equation also, torque of T2 is equal to RT2. This is anti-clockwise direction, no, sir. It is clockwise.
Which one? Which one?
Torque of T2.
How it will be, man? No, you are looking like this now.
Yes, sir.
No, man, if one is clockwise, the other is anti-clockwise, is it possible for the cylinder to rotate? Same tension,
No, sir.
same torque. So that means they should have the same direction, no?
Yes, sir. They should be. So, sir.
And then,
Now, only understood.
see, man, it is like this. Thread is like this, no? The pen is rolling like this. The cylinder unrolls. Understood or not? Okay, the diagram may be appearing like this. The cylinder will be going like this only, no?
Yes, sir. Like that only, sir. To one direction only, sir. Yes.
Same side, no? You can see the thread.
Yes, sir. Same side only.
Both are on the same side only, no?
Yes, sir.
That one also same side, see. That is what we need, visualization. Later on, when you become an engineer also, you should have that vision. So many people are want to go into software. What is software, man? I have money. My thing is, I'm feeling very lazy to keep the spoon on my breakfast or dinner and take it into my mouth. It's becoming a difficult job for me. So I'll go to one corporate company, one software company, say IBM or something. I will tell I won't move from my place. The spoon should feed me. I want one system that is a software development or a process which you can develop. That fellow company says 2 crores it will be. Yes, okay, I'll pay. That fellow will be telling the engineer, you have to design this software. That's all. That means you should have the vision and you should satisfy the client. You will get, company gets the 2 crores, you will get your salary. Apart this is very difficult, sir. How to do means you will be fired unless you are aware of this job satisfaction, job rules and all. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Then
No,
where
sir.
from recruitment is coming? Software 365 days they recruit because the removal rate is that much. They always remove almost every month 11% people will be removed world over from each company in all branches. They recruit that. So don't think studies is over and all. Throughout your life you should struggle. Life itself is struggle, man. Amma, who will do all this? Many people will. If you don't do, another fellow will do. He will get the rank. Nothing in life comes free, man. Remember that. You have to struggle for that.
Yes, sir.
Any values?
Yes,
Tension
sir.
is equal to mg by 6.
Alpha equal to 2G by 3R.
1 second. Tell the answers, man.
Mg by
mg
6.
by 6.
Right. Next.
Alpha equal to
2g by
2G
3.
by 3R. 2G by 3R.
2G by 3R. Okay. Next.
Sir,
ACL.
A equal to 2 by
2 by
3G.
3.
Well, if you got this.
yes, sir.
So if it is rolling, AT equals R alpha, you will do that cell. Shall I go ahead? Next problem.
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
What?
So, do, sir.
Hey man, too fast.
Yes.
Complete this. Shall I go to next problem?
Yes, sir. Complete, sir. Complete.
Note on this.
Yes, sir.
Maybe it is clear, I think, no?
Yes, sir. Yes. Clear.
Completed?
One minute, sir.
Understood the question? He is just spinning a disc like this and is leaving. That comes and falls. It will stop now after some time.
Yes, sir. That's true.
After what time? What is that? How long will the disc rotate? After what time it will be stopped? Interesting questions, man. All this. Unfortunately, it is irritating you. You want all the small problems. I is given, alpha is given, find torque, super. Shall I give such problem? Hmm? Customer satisfaction. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
See, what is the cause of coming to rest? First thing you have to understand that.
Sure, sir.
Rotation, see for example, it is rotating like this.
Yes, sir.
It is coming to rest means there must be alpha should be in this direction now.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Alpha is in this direction means torque must be in this direction now.
Yes,
The
sir.
only torque on this is, what is the only torque, can you tell?
Friction. Torque due to friction.
Because only friction causes that now.
Yes, sir.
So now let us see frictional torque. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Now friction torque, is it same? Friction torque depends upon, since this is rotating like this means friction should be in this direction. No?
Yes,
Do you
sir.
agree or not? Friction should be in this direction. Now friction torque is nothing but it depends upon R into F. No? Is R constant for all points on the disk?
No, no, sir. All not constant for all point.
Then what to do? In such cases, what you will do, no? So this is the disk, no?
Yes, sir.
We will consider one small strip of radius x. This is dx. Understood this? Now what is the mass of that? Now you open that, it will be of this length, no?
Yes, sir.
And width is how much? Dx, no?
Yes.
So what is the area of this?
Sir, no. Sir, it is not x, no, sir. 2 pi.
Huh?
Sir, yes.
2 pi
If
x.
we open it, it will be 2 pi x.
2 pi x. Okay, area of the strip is how much?
2 pi x dx.
Okay, so what is the mass of this?
Sir,
The whole is this
yes,
into 2 pi x dx. No?
yes, sir.
This is mass per unit area, no?
Yes, sir. Mass per unit area. For
Do you agree with this?
yes, sir.
Okay, now all the points on the strip are equidistant, no? Do you agree or not?
Agrees.
So now I can do like this. What is the torque due to this? Small torque is nothing but R into df, no? This
Yes,
is
sir.
x. What is this actually? Mu into n on the strip. This is x into mu. What is n on the strip? dm into g. Do you agree with this or not? If you look at this, this is the normal reaction and this is dm, no? Okay, call it as a dn if you want. normal reaction on the small strip. Do you agree with this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
If you want, I'll write this again. Any doubt till here? Hello?
No doubt, sir.
No, sir.
Do you agree till here? Any doubt is there?
Yes, sir.
No doubt.
Now I want to know the total torque. What I should do? Integrate this.
Yes.
X will be from 0 to the total radius, no? Total disk I need, no? So in this I can remove the, you can integrate this, no?
Yes, sir. We can integrate.
Mu m 2g by r square or constants. X square dx. X is equal to 0 to x. This you can do the integration, no?
Yes, sir.
Hello. So once you know this, understand the method, then you can complete. Torque equals I alpha, no? The disk is rotating about this, no? What is the moment of inertia of that disk?
M R square by 2.
So,
So from this you can get alpha, no?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now alpha, if it is constant, find out this still here.
Yes.
Got?
Answer.
Complete how much you got?
Alpha equal to 4 mu g by 3r. Sir.
Now this is constant or variable C?
Constant.
Constant.
Constant. That's why I can use kinematic equations now.
Yes, sir.
Omega. Yes.
Okay, this is finally should come to rest. Initially, what is that omega he gave? Omega. Okay, this is actually V initial. Remember, this is starting now T. So what is T?
Omega
How much you are getting?
3 omega g by omega r by 4 mu g.
Understood the method?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Shall we go to next problem?
Sir, 1 minute. Yes.
Thanks, sir.
Finished? Note on this. Now like this, if you solve fast, we can do better. Shall I turn this?
Sir, 1 minute, sir, please. Completed, sir.
Finished?
Yes.
See, remember that you don't make conclusion. That one which is on this is moving. The mount is moving. You know that now? You did not say it is fixed. This one is moving. When this moves with acceleration A, this is also moving with A1 now.
Yes, sir.
And this is the tension now which pulls this. Due to this, there is a torque here now.
Yes. Correct.
Okay, that is only alpha I am taking. Is it correct? So now you can see that if you look at this point on the cylinder, we'll just relate this. Center of mass is having A1 means this is also having A1. Okay, now this is alpha means this is 80 now. Whereas the string is having a acceleration A2. The reason for that is here this block is there now.
Yes.
This is T. This is also mg is given now.
MG.
This is having A2. When this goes move, all points on the string will have the same acceleration now.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Hello. Now for rho,
Sorry, sir.
you can see that, observe carefully. For no slipping, as string is not slipping on cylinder, A1 must be equal to A2. What is A1?
Acceleration of cylinder.
I'll call it as A, this is B to avoid confusion. A should be equal to AB. This is nothing but A1 plus AT is A2. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
And what is AT? R alpha, no? This is A2. Understood this? Then for this you have mg minus T A2, second equation. Okay. Third equation is, what is the total pulling force on that? T.
T.
T equals MA1.
Yes, sir.
Third equation. Do you agree with this? Then again another equation is, what is a torque? torque equals I alpha. For this cylinder, you have R into T equals cylinder is mr square by 2, no?
mr square by 2. Solid cylinder.
Agreed.
Yes,
Both
sir.
are same masses. Okay. mr square by 2 into alpha. So how many equations are there?
4.
Unknowns are alpha T, A1, A2. Anything else is there? 4 equations. Can't you find this?
You can find, sir.
Will find.
Understood how to write equations?
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
At least you are following 1%.
Yes, sir. Following, sir.
Completed?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Please.
Completed.
1 minute, sir.
Any answer?
Sir, doing, sir.
Alpha equal to G by 2 answer.
Hmm. much you got this? This answer he has given, see. He needs this one, no?
BG by forgot sir A2.
What?
Sir,
Got sir.
Right, we'll meet in the evening. All of you note down this. Chord day still here?
got sir.
Yes, sir.
Right then. Today I have another class, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Evening we'll meet again.
Sir.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye sir.
Bye.
Bye.